Hey guys, hope you're ready for the third step of our tutorial. We are now in Kibana and we have imported our file into the app. You can see that you can discover and visualize your data and have a graphics dashboard. In this video, we will focus on the Discover option. So, click on Discover. And your data are listed through index pattern, sorted by alphabetical order. Let's get our VLIB file. Oh, do you see that? No data. Don't worry guys. I know it can be disturbing, but see, the data shown are those that have been collected 15 minutes ago from now. You just have to change the time range and discover your data. In order to have a large view of your file, I suggest you choose 15 years as a time range. That's much better. You can now reduce the period of time to have more detailed insight. Okay, so this file has 1392 hits. You can change the timetable scale. By default, it is on auto. Let's try weekly. Every histogram bar represents 1 week. Here, you can reach all your files fields. Hashtag means numbers, as you can see. T means text. The clock means timetable. If you have seen the previous video, you remember that this field is our time reference, and the Earth stands for geographic coordinates. Okay, let's say you wish to see if there are data about the VLIB station in Victor Hugo Street. Yes guys, we're French. There are 21 hits. You can make searches, add filters or queries. Type DF underscore. DF stands for data frame Kibana built for you. And you can filter by maybe the état de station field, which means station status. Let's say we want to know how much VLIB stations were closed. You see, when I click equals, I can choose one of the available response registered in this file for this specific field. There are only 8 hits concerned by our search. We will soon show you more details about queries and filters possibilities. This video aims to show you the use of the Kibana Discover menu, which is a preparation step to make bright visualizations. See you on our next tutorial and we'll make it happen.